Now family, as we enter the farm right now, you see we have some beautiful, beautiful, luscious cocoa. These, a lot of people, you know, call them elephant ears, but cocoa is a root that grows under the ground on this plant right here, and they're very delicious. They're good in soup. Them good when you cook up some peanut porridge. You have to have some cocoa in it, especially red cocoa. So keep in mind, just a flour. This is a food. And like I said, in these critical times right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is especially important to farm. So remember, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer, introducing you to one of Jamaica's favorite underground food. It's a root. It's called cocoa. Good for soup, good for your wood root. More life, more joy. Remember, if you like it, you like the farming from morning till the evening. I am the Crocus Bag Farmer. Remember that. A cocoa we are talking about right now. See? Here, cocoa in our plate. See there? Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Yes, I. Bless I, bless I. Beautiful, beautiful cocoa, well rooted. Give a shot at them right here. Yes. Things say we not farm everything. Remember, you tune in to the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yes. We love the farming from morning till the evening. Sometimes we farm in the evening till the morning, depending on the seasoning. Yes. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm showing you some cocoa right now. Right now I'm on the farm in South Florida. South Florida farm this. When I reach the Jamaican farm, I'm going to be showing you later on in the year. But because of the whole situation, it's the springtime right now, so we start going to maintain more life and more joy. Yes, because farming is necessary. If you don't have food, you will die, people. Remember, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer. Link up so the things can think up. We love the farming from evening till the morning.